Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Tiger Brokers with Momo. So these are the two popular choices for stock and option trading. But which one is better? Let's compare both of them. So if we talk about ease of use, both platforms offer powerful trading tool. But Momo, on the other hand, has a modern, user-friendly interface, if you can see over here. But Tiger Broker is great for experienced traders, but has a slightly steeper learning curve for which you have to work on. If we talk about customization and features, Tiger Broker offers a broad range of global marketing, making it better for international investors. Momo, on the other hand, it shines with advanced charting and AI-powered insights, and it also has a free level 2 market data. Both offer the stock options, ETFs, and futures. But if we talk about Moru is better for US traders, and thanks to its zero commission US stock traders, it is more helpful. But Tiger Broker, on the other hand, it support more markets, including in US, Hong Kong, China, and Singapore. Now, if we talk about pricing, basically, the pricing is started at around both platform basically offers a low fees, but if you talk about Momo has a zero commission US stock trading, which is a free real-time market data. On the other hand, Tiger Brokers charges a small commission but gives access to a wide range of market, which is beneficial for people who are really getting into it. So, if you want a user-friendly trading app with commission-free US stocks, go with Muru. But if you prefer global market in Switzerland, Hong Kong, US, and elsewhere, you should definitely go for Tiger Brokers because that's a better choice. And with that, I hope this comparison was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.